Mari. Hello from beautiful Paphos Cyprus. Today, before on daytime when I make the live video, it was very windy. Now the wind is down. The temperature it's at now it's at 18 degrees. Is it? Let me see. Yeah. What's the car? Yep, 18 degrees. And the time now it's 4:48. I know we cover this area daily, but from what I see, most of you, it's like this area you want to see. So I try to post even daily videos of this area, besides the other videos we make. The sun is behind the clouds over there, but it's still a lovely day. Not wind anymore. It was very, very windy in the morning. Oh, it's nice. And the sea is not very calm, but it's much better than it was before. In the morning it was more rough. Now we can see also the locals, they blend with the tourists. I see also a lot of tourists now. Yep. Those kids from England. These people here from England probably. Yep. It's a Saturday evening, so yeah, a lot of people walking by. It's still the old rules, so who is not vaccinated, you cannot go to restaurant until on Monday from February 21st. Not vaccinated will also be able to go to visit restaurants and nightclubs, but with a 24-hour rapid test. Hopefully they will abolish this test soon. Today we met two of our subscribers. They recognize us through first looking at Teddy, of course, and after us they stopped to say hi. We also record them in the video. We will post at the end of this video. There are comments about the channel. And again, thanks all for subscribing. Thanks all for taking the poll we put on the channel when you're visiting Cyprus. I saw that varies from March, June, July, August, and many people in May, September, October. I saw in December over there. There's a taxi stop, tourists I can tell. Yeah, I would say I saw more tourists than locals now this evening walking by. Daphne apartment. Someone asked me. It's here. It looks like they make a major renovation or something. Yeah, rebuilding there. What is that doing?
No, it is inside.
Yeah, it looks like under major renovation. Right here. Yeah, they throw everything down. It looks like they're making rebuild. Like it's almost like rebuilding it. It's a Daphne Apartments, Daphne Hotel. Guino Cafe. It's one of the busiest cafe that's been there since my childhood. All right. It's an Annabelle Hotel, which is the closest one to the harbor. Almira Spa Hotel, and further down the Alexander and then Amavi. Alexander the Great. And Amavi Hotel, which is made for couples. I think they only accept couples anyway. It's made for couples brand, made for two. Nice hotel. We post a video before and with the pictures when it was under construction with the drone. Anyhow, this is your first update of Paphos. We try to keep this video maximum around 8 minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you. I will kill a bit longer to show just Felix here, which I think it's still under it's still under, it was renovated, but now it looks they're still renewing it, making some renovations like painting, I think, and the walls. Anyways, take care. Okay, we're here with two subscribers, Chrissy and Steve.
That's correct, yeah. Been watching this guy's videos now for a long while. Helped us through the pandemic, so I'd just like to say bravo, thank you very much.
When we were during lockdowns and we couldn't get out, we watched your videos and we could see where we live without having to leave.
See, I'm doing a good job.
So it was like taking a trip around Paphos vicariously through the medium of YouTube. Good job.
Thank you very much. Okay.